Alright guys, the trial of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, resumed today at the Federal High Court in Abuja with heated exchanges between the prosecution and defense teams over the handling of critical documents, ABN TV report. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you just join us for the first time, I beg subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So guys, this is really getting more interesting and tougher as well. The proceedings, which began with Kanu's arrival at the court under tight security, saw the prosecution led by Senior Advocate of Nigeria, San Adjournment Amowolo, calling it second witness to testify. The witness claims that Kanu incited violence and established the Eastern Security Network (ESN) allegedly as an armed wing of IPOB. However, under cross-examination, the witness admitted ignorance of several key facts, including that a previous court ruling had already struck out some of the charges against Kanu. Defense lawyers pressed the witness on whether he was aware that the allegations of terrorism and incitement to destroy public property had been dismissed, a claim he denied knowledge of. The defense team, led by renowned lawyer and the former Attorney General of the Federation, Kanu San, objected to the prosecution's attempt to tender new documents in court, citing a lack of prior service. Justice Omotosho firmly reminded the prosecution that all evidence and documents must be duly served to the defense before they can be admitted. He emphasized the importance of fair hearing and due processes. At one point, a letter allegedly from a former Attorney General of the Federation became a point of contention. The defense maintained they had never received the document, and even Justice Omotosho confirmed he had not seen it. Following this, the prosecution formally withdrew the letter from the court record. Kanu's legal team, comprising over a dozen lawyers, including Aloy Jumako, Ifeanyi Ejefo, and Emeke Otuba San, further insisted on viewing all materials presented by the prosecution, despite the prosecution's claim that they were prepared to serve the documents. The defense argued that the late submission was prejudicial to their case. As proceedings became increasingly contentious, the prosecution requested an adjournment to allow for proper service of documents, a motion the court granted. Justice Omotosho adjourned the trial to Tuesday, May 7, 2025, specifically for the continuation and examination of prosecution's witness. The court also noted that an application regarding the release of Nnamdi Kanu's personal belongings is expected to be submitted. So guys, you've all heard it now. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja today, being Tuesday, adjourned the trial of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra to May 7th. That's tomorrow. So guys, as you can see, this is really getting tougher. Yes, it's getting tougher. Nigerians are watching, the world at large, they are watching to see how Nigerian government will play this out. You understand? As you can see that Nnamdi Kanu lawyers, they no one here. Okay, they no one here. The federal government should, as a matter of urgency, release this man. We want peace in this country. This case should be settled out of court. We are tired of all this drama. The federal government, they are aware. You understand? This case should be settled out of court. Then if they are not willing to settle it out of court, let them go according to Nigerian constitution. This man has been released, discharged, because all these ones when they bring hand, they bring leg, he just to cause more confusion. You get, all these charges has been struck out before. You see waiting, then they try to do. Somebody can't talk for you say now God passed them. So at the drop for you, Nnamdi Kanu case continue tomorrow. I bet share this video, make it go viral so Nigerians will understand waiting they happen for this country today. See you next in my next video. Bye for now.
Let me stand here. No talking. Ada nigga fit. Agabag. See. Ooh, my network is bad. So bad. Adane, what did I feel I'm live? Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah? I think that's their new thing, yeah. I think that's their new, because there's no other option. Even they will remind you when it's about to be deleted, they will remind you. Yeah, they will ask you to download it.
How are you? Fine. What is that? Morning, brothers.
How are we? Get up in the next Good to see you. Good to see you.
Yes, I was looking for it.
You don't have seats, you go out. You don't.